Here I chose 10-inch stick to attach to the vessel. Here I am using the wire in 12 size. Place the vessel. I cut the wire in double size of the stick size. This is 10 inch and the wire I cut is 20 inch. I folded the wire to the center like this. I rolled the wire to the center of the stick. Slowly I am going to turn the wire around. Same on the other side. Now I'm going to place the stick on the vessel. I'm going to adjust the stick so that it's centered. Now in the back side, I'm going to twist the wire. And just get it to the front. And twist it around. With the help of the wire, you can slide the stick in the direction you want and it will still stay strong to drape the sari. On the day of the puja, you can easily assemble the stick to the vessel in less than a minute.